how to pay off your Virgin Money credit card. So if you want to basically pay off your Virgin Money credit card fees or any type of things that you want to do, the easiest way to do it right within the Virgin Money credit card app itself. So make sure you have downloaded the Virgin Money credit card app, and then you open it up. You also want to make sure to log into your Virgin Money credit card account. Now once you go over there, depending upon how you want to pay, you can actually do a bank payment or a card payment. First of all, just go to the login button and you log in with your card. Right after you've done that, what you have to do is you have to simply go to the payments icon that is at the bottom left of your summary screen. Select make a one-off payment and choose the amount you want to pay from requested payment statement balance or other amount. Then select bank payment or whichever type of payment option you prefer, and then you'll be able to follow the on-screen instructions to basically pay off your Virgin Money credit card. This way you'll be able to go ahead and then pay off your Virgin Money credit card. I hope that this video was really helpful. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.